Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Windsor Locks local and long-distance movers near me. When you relocate over 50 miles, it's a long-distance move. Such relocations can be intrastate or interstate. Your belongings are safe with us. Our movers make sure to arrange and load your belongings properly. Our trucks are also able to carry and move your heavy items and pieces of furniture. We have adequate insurance to cover liabilities during the relocation process. Our drivers have a lot of expertise driving over long distances. They've done such relocations a number of times, so the experience is not lacking. They know the best routes to get you to your destination on time without any issue and will move you promptly to your desired location. 3 Movers also offers excellent local moves in Windsor Locks CT. The truth is that local moves are not as complex as their long-distance counterparts, but you still need to make adequate and proper preparation. We help our clients manage and conduct their local moves so that we can get the best results possible. We are always available to answer your questions. If you need us to help you with something else, you only have to give us a call. We know all the routes in Windsor Locks that can get you to your location on time, and we are very affordable, charging about $30 to $40 every hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Windsor Locks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.